Welcome. If you want to enter rest mode on your PlayStation 5 by using your controller, we have to grab our controller and then tap on the PlayStation button. After that we have to move for the power, it's on the right side. Then click X to enter and then simply select enter rest mode. So click. Now we have to wait. And as you can see right now, our PlayStation 5 turned to the rest mode. And if you want to turn it on back, you have to grab your controller and then click and hold the PlayStation button. Then just release. We have to wait. And as you can see, here we are. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!